Hey everyone, welcome back to Practice English Easily, the channel where you learn real useful English without boring grammar books. I'm Jeet, and today I brought something very special just for you. Yes, you're about to learn 100 real life English sentences all in one video. These are not random phrases, they are the sentences that people actually use in daily conversations. So stay with me till the end and speak along with me to improve your fluency, accent, and confidence. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's begin with sentences you can use in the morning. I just woke up. Let me brush my teeth. I need a hot shower. What should I wear today? I'm running late. Let's make some breakfast. I love starting my day with coffee. Where are my socks? I don't feel like going to work. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I hope the traffic isn't bad. I packed lunch for today. Don't forget your keys. The weather looks nice today. Time to get going. Quick tip. Repeat after me to improve pronunciation. Now let's move to common sentences for school or work. Good morning, everyone. I have a lot on my plate today. Can we talk later? Please send me the file. I'm still working on that project. Let's take a short break. What's the deadline? That was a great presentation. I'm feeling a bit tired. Let's order some lunch. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm stuck on this problem. Can you help me with this? Let's wrap up for the day. See you tomorrow. Mini challenge. Try to use 3 of these at your job or school today. Shopping or going out. Use these sentences. How much does this cost? Can I try this on? I'm just looking, thanks. Do you accept cards? That's too expensive. Can you give me a discount? I'll take this one. Where is the fitting room? I need a bag, please. Let's grab a coffee. What's on the menu? I'll have a sandwich. Is it spicy? The food smells amazing. I'm full. Real English. These are what native speakers use daily. Learn them, live them. Next, let's learn sentences for family and home life. How was your day? Let's watch a movie. Please clean your room. What's for dinner? Can you help me with this? Turn off the lights. The internet is not working. I'm going to bed early. Stop making noise. I missed you today.
Section 5. Expressing feelings. Feeling something? Use these expressions. I'm so happy. This makes me sad. I'm a bit nervous. That's so exciting. I'm really proud of you. I feel so tired today. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm feeling better now. That was disappointing. I'm sorry to hear that. You did a great job. I'm scared. I love this. I don't like it. Tip. Speak your emotions clearly. It helps connection. Section 6. Travel and directions. Planning a trip or asking for directions. Where is the nearest ATM? How far is it from here? Turn left at the signal. Go straight and then turn right. I'm looking for this address. I missed my bus. When does the train arrive? I need to book a taxi. This place is beautiful. Let's take some pictures. These phrases are lifesavers when you travel. Section 7. Phone and online talk. Let's not forget online and phone talk. Can you hear me? The connection is bad. I'll call you back. Let's video call. I texted you already. Check your email. I'm online now. Sorry, I was on mute. Let's have a Zoom meeting. Can you send the link again? Modern conversations need modern English. Section 8. Useful everyday phrases. Here are the last 5. Super useful in any situation. It's not a big deal. I didn't get that. Can you repeat? Let's do it. I'll think about it. Have a great day. And that's it. 100 useful English sentences in one single video. Did you enjoy learning with me today? Which sentence was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Practice English Easily so we can grow and learn together. And remember, practice makes you fluent. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and speak confidently. This is Jeet signing off. Bye.